What are Minecraft brewing stand recipes and charts? Minecraft brewing stand recipes and charts are useful for making potions in Minecraft, which are drinks that can give you various effects, such as healing, speed, fire resistance, invisibility, and more. To make potions, you need a brewing stand, some glass bottles filled with water, and various ingredients that can be found in the game world. Here is a brief guide on how to make potions in Minecraft. To craft a brewing stand, you need 1 blaze rod and 3 cobblestone, cobble deep slate, or blackstone. Place the 3 stone blocks in a row in the crafting grid, and the blaze rod above them in the center slot. You will get 1 brewing stand as a result. To make glass bottles, you need 3 glass blocks. Place them in a V shape in the crafting grid. You will get 3 glass bottles as a result. To fill glass bottles with water, you need a water source or a cauldron filled with water. Right-click the water source or cauldron with an empty glass bottle in your hand. You will get a water bottle as a result. To use the brewing stand, place it on the ground and right-click it to open the brewing window. You will see 5 slots, 1 on the top for ingredients, and 4 on the bottom for fuel and water bottles. To fuel the brewing stand, you need blaze powder. Place it in the leftmost slot on the bottom of the brewing window. 1 blaze powder can fuel 20 brewing operations. To start brewing potions, you need to place 1 or more water bottles in the remaining slots on the bottom of the brewing window. Then, you need to place an ingredient in the top slot. The ingredient will be consumed and the water bottles will turn into potions after a few seconds. To make different types of potions, you need to use different ingredients and follow different recipes. Some ingredients are base ingredients that create basic potions, such as awkward potion, mundane potion, or thick potion. Some ingredients are secondary ingredients that add effects to basic potions, such as sugar, rabbit's foot, or gas tear. Some ingredients are modifier ingredients that enhance or extend the effects of potions, such as redstone dust, glowstone dust, or fermented spider eye. To make splash potions or lingering potions, you need to add gunpowder or dragon's breath to any potion respectively. Splash potions can be thrown to affect an area, while lingering potions create a cloud that lasts for a while. Below is a chart that shows some of the most common potion recipes and their effects. Part 1, Part 2.